stands a rock of legends old. Jump off rock where sorrow stills, a tale of love that time unfolds. Oh, jump off rock, you feel so grand, not running all to this promised land. Yet for the Cherokee maiden's tragic fall, the moonlit night still casts a pall. The young warrior killed in battle strife, leaving his love to face the end. Up the trails she climbed, forgetting life, to the rocky edge where she did descend. Oh, oh, jump off rock, you feel so grand, not running all to this promised land. Yet from the Cherokee maiden's tragic fall, the moonlit night still casts a pall. Casts a pall. Easy, moderate, or a challenge dare, hike the trails that lead you there. Gaze out on the blue ridges, might as day fades into the dark of night. Oh, jump off rock, you'll feel so grand, beckoning all to this promised land. Yet from the Cherokee maiden's tragic fall, the moonlit night still casts a pall. So come and see this wonder rare, and feel the legends in the mountain air. Jump off rock, a place of grace where love and loss have left their trace.